11 or 12th computer science lesson number 12 la irukra 1 mark questions பத்தி இந்த வீடியோல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணிரலாம். Topic choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Which command provides definition for creating table structure, deleting relations and modifying relation schemes? Your answer is option A, DDL. Question number 2. Which command leads to change the structure of the table? Your answer is option D, alter. Question number 3. The command to delete a table is? Your answer is option A, drop. Question number 4. Queries can be generated using? Your answer is option A, select. Question number 5. The class used to sort data in a database? Your answer is option B, order by. Next additional 1 mark questions பத்தி discuss பண்ணிரலாம். Question number 1. Which of the following is a standard programming language to access and manipulate database? Your answer is option B, SQL. Question number 2. Which of the following language was designed for managing and accessing data in RDBMS? Your answer is option D, SQL. Question number 3. SQL stands for? Your answer is option C, structural query language. Question number 4. SQL originally called as? Your answer is option C, SQL. Question number 5. Latest SQL standard as of now is? Your answer is option A, SQL 2008. Question number 6. Find out the odd man out. Your answer is option D, DBase. Question number 7. Which of the following is not a RDBMS package? Your answer is option B or C, that is FoxPro or database. So நீங்க வந்து எப்படி வேணாலும் டைப் பண்ணிக்கலாம், பட் ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் தான் டைப் பண்ணணும். Question number 8. The data in RDBMS is stored in database objects called? Your answer is option D, tables. Question number 9. Which of the following is a collection of data entries? Your answer is option B, table. Question number 10. The specific related information about every record in the table is maintained by? Your answer is option D, field. Question number 11. DDL expansion is? Your answer is option B, data definition language. Question number 12. DML stand for? Your answer is option A, data manipulation language. Question number 13. Which of the following processing skill of SQL provides commands for defining relation schemes? Your answer is option B, DDL. Question number 14. Which component of SQL includes commands to insert, delete and modify tables in database? Your answer is option D, DML. Question number 15. Which processing skills of SQL includes commands of access, rights to creations and views of tables? Your answer is option C, authorization. Question number 16. WAMP stands for? Your answer is option D, Windows, Apache, MySQL and PHP. Question number 17. Which of the following used to serve live website? Your answer is option C, WAMP. Question number 18. Into how many categories the SQL command are divided? Your answer is option B, 5. Question number 19. Which of the following is not a category of SQL command? Your answer is option A, DDL. Question number 20. DCL stands for? Your answer is option C, data control language. Question number 21. TCL stands for? Your answer is option B, transfer communication language. Question number 22. DQL stands for? Your answer is option B, data query language. Question number 23. Which of the following component simplified deals with description of the database schema? Your answer is option B, DDL. Question number 24. Which component provides a self-definition to specify storage structure used by the database system? Your answer is option C, DDL. Question number 25. Which of the following is not a SQL DDL commands? Your answer is option C, grant. Question number 26. The SQL DDL command removes all records from a table and also release the space occupied by these records is, your answer is option B. Truncate. Question number 27. Which of the following SQL DDL command that delete tables from database? Your answer is option A. Drop. Question number 28. Which DML requires a user to specify what data is needed without specifying how to get it? Your answer is option B. Non-procedural DML. Question number 29. The SQL DML command used remove all records from a table but not the space occupied by them. Your answer is option C. Delete. Question number 30. Which of the following used to control the access of data stored in a database? Your answer is option A. DCL. Question number 31. Which of the following SQL DCL command gives permission to one or more users to perform specific tasks? Your answer is option C. Grant. Question number 32. The SQL DCL command withdraws the access permission given by the grant statement is, your answer is option D. Revoke. Question number 33. Revoke command belongs to, your answer is option B. DCL. Question number 34. Which of the following commands are used to manage the changes made to the data in the table by DML statements? Your answer is option A. TCL. Question number 35. The SQL TCL command saves any transaction into the data permanently is, your answer is option B. Commit. Question number 36. Which of the following is not a SQL TCL command? Your answer is option C. Revoke. Question number 37. The SQL DQL command used to display all the records from the table is, your answer is option A. Select. Question number 38. Which SQL TCL command saves a transaction temporarily? Your answer is option C. Save point. Question number 39. Which of the following command used to retrieve data from a database? Your answer is option B. TQL. Question number 40. The data in a database is stored based on the kind of value stored is known as, your answer is option D. Data type. Question number 41. Which of the following SQL standard recognized only text and number data type? Your answer is option A. ANSI. Question number 42. Which of the following data type same as real? Expect the precision may exceed 64. Your answer is option C. Double. Question number 43. Double data type precision may exceed, your answer is option A. 64. Question number 44. Which of the following is not a SQL predetermined set of commands to work on database? Your answer is option B. Alters. Question number 45. Which of the following SQL predetermined commands are understood as instructions? Your answer is option D. Keywords. Question number 46. Which of the following have a special meaning in SQL? Your answer is option A. Keywords. Question number 47. Which of the following being with a keyword and consists of keyword and arguments? Your answer is option C. Classes. Question number 48. Which of the following SQL DDI command used to create a table? Your answer is option B. Create table. Question number 49. Which of the following must be specified when a table is created? Your answer is option D. All of this, that is column name, data type and size. Question number 50. Which of the following are used to limit the type of data that can go into a table? Your answer is option B. Constraint. Question number 51. Which of the following ensures that accuracy and reliability of the data in the database? Your answer is option A. Constraints. Question number 52. Which constraint apply to a group of one or more column? Your answer is option D. Table. Question number 53. The constraint enforces a field to always contain a value is, your answer is option B, not null. Question number 54. How many types of database integrity constraints are there? Your answer is option A, 4. Question number 55. Which of the following is not a database integrity constraining? Your answer is option A, table. Question number 56. Which of the following constraint ensures that no two rows have the same value in the specified columns? Your answer is option C, unique. Question number 57. Which of the following ensures database integrity constraints? Your answer is option D, constraints. Question number 58. Define multiple constraints or separated by. Your answer is option B, space. Question number 59. Which of the following should be added at the end of the field definition? Your answer is option B, comma. Question number 60. Which of the following constraints helps to uniquely identify a record in the database? Your answer is option C, primary key. Question number 61. Which of the following constraint does not allow null values? Your answer is option B, primary key. Question number 62. Which of the following keyword shows that the field value cannot be empty? Your answer is option B, not null. Question number 63. Which constraints help to set a limit value placed for a field? Your answer is option D, check. Question number 64. Which of the following constraints use relational and logical operators for condition? Your answer is option C, check. Question number 65. Which of the following constraint is applied to a group of field of the table? Your answer is option B, table. Question number 66. The constraint defined only at the end of the table definition is? Your answer is option A, table. Question number 67. Which of the following command helps to add new records to the table? Your answer is option A, insert. Question number 68. In the insert command, the field that are omitted will have? Your answer is option B, null value. Question number 69. Which of the following command replaces some or all data values in the database? Your answer is option B, update. Question number 17. Which keyword are not used in a command used to replace a data value in a database? Your answer is option D, add. Question number 71. To update multiple fields with the set clause in update command, the field should be separated by? Your answer is option B, comma. Question number 72. Which of the following keyword not used in alter command? Your answer is option C, set. Question number 73. Which of the following command not used to delete a table? Your answer is option D, remove. Question number 74. Which command is used to query or retrieve data from a table in a database? Your answer is option A, select. Question number 75. Which command is used to retrieve a subset of records from one to more tables? Your answer is option D, select. Question number 76. Which of the following keyword used in select command that helps to eliminate redundant data? Your answer is option C, distinct. Question number 77. Which keyword used in select command that retain duplicate rows? Your answer is option D, all, that is distinct, null and retain. Question number 78. The clause in the select command specifies the criteria for getting the desired result is? Your answer is option D, where. Question number 79. Which keyword is used to specify the list of values which must be matched with the record values? Your answer is option C, in. Question number 80. The keyword used to select command displays only those records that do not match in the list is? Your answer is option B, not in. Question number 81. The keyword used to sort the records in ascending order is? Your answer is option D, ASC. Question number 82. The clause used to filter the records in the table is? Your answer is option C, where. Question number 83. Which clause helps to extract only those records which satisfy the given condition? Your answer is option B. Where? Question number 84. Which keyword is used to divide the table into groups? Your answer is option C. Group by. Question number 85. Which clause select commands is used to produce summary report from the database? Your answer is option A. Group by. Question number 86. Which clause can be used along with group by clause and select statement to include aggregate function on them? Your answer is option C. Having. Next lesson number 12 இருக்கிற fill in the blanks பத்தி discuss பண்ணிடலாம். Question number 1. Dash allows the user to create, retrieve, alter and transfer information among database. Your answer is option A. SQL. So, SQL allows the user to create, retrieve, alter and transfer information among database. Question number 2. Dash supports the development, administration and use of database platforms. Your answer is option B. DBMS. So, a DBMS supports the development, administration and use of database platforms. Question number 3. RDBMS is a type of dash with a row-based table structure that connects related data elements. Your answer is option C. DBMS. So, RDBMS is a type of DBMS with a row-based table structure that connects related data elements. Question number 4. A dash consists of row and columns. Your answer is option A. Table. So, a table consists of rows and columns. Question number 5. A dash is a collection of related field in a table. Your answer is option C. Record. So, a record is a collection of related field in a table. Question number 6. After the database has been created, the data can be manipulated using dash procedure. Your answer is option D. DML. So, after the database has been created, the data can be manipulated using DML procedures. Question number 7. The DML is basically of dash types. Your answer is option B. 2. So, the DML is basically of 2 types. Question number 8. Dash is used for controlling privileges in the database. Your answer is option B. DCL. So, DCL is used for controlling privileges in a database. Question number 9. All the values in a given field must be of same dash. Your answer is option B. Database. So, all the values in a given field must be of same data type. Question number 10. Minimum dash column is required to create a table. Your answer is option A. 1. So, minimum 1 column is required to create a table. Question number 11. Dash is a condition application on a field or set of fields. Your answer is option C. Constraint. So, constraints is a condition application on a field or set of fields. Question number 12. The primary key constraint is similar to dash constraint. Your answer is option A. Unique. So, the primary key constraint is similar to unique constraints. Question number 13. The dash command is used to modify the table structure, that is schema. Your answer is option A. Alter. So, the alter command is used to modify the table structure or schema. Question number 14. A dash is a command to get a desired result from the database table. Your answer is option B. Query. So, a query is a command to get a desired result from the database table. Question number 15. The dash keyword is used along with the select command to eliminate duplicate rows in the table. Your answer is option B. Distinct. So, the distinct keyword is used along with the select command to eliminate duplicate rows in the table. Question number 16. The dash keyword defines a range of values the record must fall into make the condition true. Your answer is option A. Between. So, the between keyword defines a range of values the record must fall into make the condition true. Question number 17. Dash is used to save point command to jump to a particular save point location. Your answer is option B. Rollback 2. So rollback 2 is used to save point command to jump to a particular save point location. Next video lesson number 13 la irukra important 1 mark questions பத்தி discuss பண்ணிரலாம். Thanks for watching this video.